Welcome to another unboxing. Today, we received a package from Andy's Hobby Headquarters. Packed well, shipped quickly, even had some blue tissue paper and sticker. Like, it was one of those girly gifts. Like, they were thoughtful and wanted to present it nice, not just throw it in a box of bubble wrap and be like, here's your shit. They actually wrap it in some nice tissue paper. My wife would definitely approve of that. So yeah, Andy's sent us this. We paid for it, of course. Before the unboxing, listen, this is a Polar Lights Star Trek 1/350 scale spaceship. Doesn't matter which one it is. Required purchase with that. Some kind of good plastic putty. Trust me, we'll see this during the build. We got the LED package, which I think cost more than the actual model itself. No, the ktinga was, the ktinga was a little more. This was 75% of the price of the ktinga. But we'll unbox that later. Let's put that away. Look at all this. Let's get this plastic off of here. It's very glary under my brand new LED shop lights. So I can actually see down here for a change. I was getting text messages during a video. Who's texting me? Okay, no. Not the wife, at least. I'll reply at some point to that. Here we go. See what we got here. Okay. Is there any tape holding this on? No. Okay. I'm used to mostly Tamiya and Bandai kits. This is the ktinga. It's trying to... It says 27 LED. Yeah, it's just advertising for the LED kit. There we go. Look. 3 in a row. You know, you've built one of these, probably. You probably never want to build more than one. So we're not going to reenact the whole scene from Star Trek the Motion Picture. Honestly, I want to try to make this look more like the Kronos 1 from Star Trek 6, An Undiscovered Country. I'd prefer to do that, personally, because for some the nacelles were never lit up and properly in... the motion picture. They were lit up, though, later on, and especially if, you know, one of these similar type Klingon ships showed up in, like, Deep Space Nine or whatever. What do we got here? Let's see. Instructions. We've got some basic water slides here. They're very colorful. They're, like, very, very colorful. I'm going to put these on, but I'm going to weather the hell out of these things. I might not put them all on, because some of these are just garish. Like, this little one, yeah, you know, that thing definitely around the, oh, God, it's not a phaser, Ian. Oh, my God, a repulse, no. Photon torpedoes. Sorry. The torpedo tube. Okay, we got clear bits in here. I'm not going to take this out of the bag. We got clear bits for stuff, for, you know, windows and the launchers, and we've got, oh, that little resin top of the bridge. That's nice. A little metal rod. That's a thick gauge metal rod, too. Wow. Bravo. Bravo, Polar Lights. Okay. This is all, jeez. Yeah, we got some pretty big chunks of plastic. Andy built one of these in his channel recently. Well, now, I don't know how recently it was, but whatever. He built one. And, yeah, it's all super black plastic. This is not the highest quality part I've ever seen. It's also, yeah, this is starting to remind me kind of the quality of my Max Factory. Yeah, my Max Factory. Oh, it's a little nicer than the Max Factory Valkyrie. Look at that. We got some stress bends right there and there. Probably from this thing just like being in the box and banging around all the way from China. This is going to be a fun one to paint, too, because we're not using Vallejo. Yeah, you could have some fun. Look at this. Ugh, bleh. Flash boogers. Yeah, this is not Tamiya. Or I'm not going to name everybody, but see, it's definitely not Tamiya or Bandai. Bit of the fate. Look at this. They just like, did they just snap these off the runners? God. Oh, okay. This will definitely need some cleanup during assembly. Okay, this has little bits on it now. And we got the neck and the engine, well, the shuttle hangar back area, engine grill, the soup ladle of it, apparently, and then we have the engine Nicoles. I mean cells. Don't call me that again. Yeah. So okay. There's not a million pieces to this thing. It shouldn't be rocket science putting this together. Ian, you speak too soon. We make everything difficult. We're good at making things difficult. I don't even know how to put this back in the box. Does this go in the box? Nope, not sure that's how it's supposed to go. Maybe that's how it goes? I'm doing something wrong. Okay. If there's an incorrect way to do something, I usually find it pretty quickly. Alright, well. Okay, you know what? Close enough for government work. There we go. Let's get... Oh, it does. Oh, the inner box is also color. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Okay. Testers enamels. Ugh. No thanks. No testers enamels. Sorry, not happening. Not in this lifetime. Whoop, bumped the camera. And then we got. Ooh, hello. Let's get a little more intimate with the LEDs. Yeah. Okay, that was weird. That was creepier than the president whispering. If that's even possible. It's gonna be fine. It's already paid for. Yes, this kit's already paid for. That's all I'm saying. Don't read into it. Let's see. What happened to Mad TV when you need them? Only have Saturday Night Live. Anytime someone has a monopoly, you know, quality control stuffers. Okay. There's other options for LED kits out there. The best one on the market, it's the best. It's better than this. I ordered this before I found out about the other company, and I felt bad canceling the order on Andy. And you know what? It's just the Klingon, it's just the Klingon battle cruiser. It's not the Enterprise. So, ktinga Controls makes a way cooler, more badass lighting setup for this. And then there's another company I found that actually makes nacelle inserts for this kit that'll glow green if you backlight them, and they're sold out. It's like one of those cottage industry bespoke UK, kit modifier parts company things. Yeah, but yeah, we got 27. It says 27 LEDs somewhere. Yeah, 27 LEDs. We got 27 LEDs. We have a control box, which holds some probably AA batteries. Okay. We have red plastic. Like, they think we didn't have Tamiya clear red paint. We couldn't have done this ourselves. I kind of just kept my order in place. I was like, oh, at least I'll use the red plastic if I decide. I'm just going to stick with this. And there's instructions in the bottom, but, come on. We'll do that when we build it. We don't want to be super boring here. But yeah, so we got the LED kit. If this was a Bandai model, or a Tamiya, well, we gotta zoom back out a little now. If this was a Bandai or a Tamiya model, I would just whack this thing together tonight. It'd be done in a couple hours, except for paint. But it's not. Sadly, it's round 2 models, aka Polar Lights, aka International Hobbycraft UK, Bristol, England. Everything England makes is always so much better model-wise. What is it? Oh, no, sorry, it's made in China. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, there we go. Oh, yeah, and this comes with some photo etch bits, which is nice, because my dumbass also bought a whole another set of photo etch for the ktinga, but it's different photo etch than these. So we'll see. We'll mix and match some photo etches. I don't like photo etch. I really hate photo etch, but I feel on this ship, it deserves some photo etch, because it's going to be fairly large. It's a display piece. It's going to be lit. So, have nice photo etch for the windows and stuff and other areas. I'm really looking forward to building this. And I'd like to thank Andy for great customer service. Thanks, Andy. Good job. If you've effed up, I would have let everyone know, but you didn't. So there we go. That is it for tonight, man, children. And Okay, so there's plenty of female modelers and modelers of other classifications. So for the, commonly identified men that do, or man children, is it women children? It doesn't sound right. Is there something like your husband would call you? Like, oh, Girl Scout, something? No, you can't insult. It's so much harder to insult women. Insulting men is easy. I love being a man. Send a good insult in the comments, please. Keep it PG. Okay? And, oh yeah, don't forget. And the industrial size tube of putty. We have another, oh god. We have another Star Trek thing after this that we're going to do. So, we're covering all the bases on this channel. We've got tanks, we've got Gundams, we've got tools, we've got Ghostbusters stuff, we've got Star Trek, we've got other anime stuff, we got Robotech, we'll have Space Battleship Yamato, we're going to have Crusher Joe at some point. We're doing a bunch of stuff. Toys, just Voltron. You guys scroll through my channel. It's just all nerding out on stuff. But either way, everyone, have a good night. That was it. We'll be back. Next video, we're still finishing up a Tamiya full option King Tiger tank, Tiger 2, Tiger B, Porsche turret, pre-production turret, whatever you want to call it. We're doing that. It's on the channel. And there's a new episode up that went up just last night. So go check it out. And please, everyone, I'm trying to just get to 1,000 subscribers to see if I could do it. Because why the hell not? And if we can hit 1,000, then we're obviously going to have to do a cool giveaway of something. We'll figure it out. But either way, thank you. Ian signing out.